Hey guys, my name's Andre. First of all, we do a 32-point inspection. We check your tires. We use manufacturer O-rings, manufacturer oil, and inspect the brakes. I check the tires, axles, the CV boots, the suspension components, check engine belts, engine mounts. You also get a tire rotation if the tires are the same size. Inspect the brakes. A brake flush, changing the oil filter. Change out these O-rings here. Time to add the oil. You get an air filter change. We go ahead and test the battery. Just below max is perfect. We go ahead and torque the wheels. With every B-Service, vehicle gets a cabin filter. All right guys, that's a Service-B. Come into Mercedes-Benz of Scottsdale to get yours today.